Friends, now we will be discussing application of differentiation in physics. And to understand the application of differentiation in physics, you have to understand this. That suppose you have given displacement of an object, and displacement of an object is given in terms of t. That is, displacement of an object is function of t. And if you have to find the velocity and acceleration of the object, then see, velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement. V is equals to d by dt of x, rate of change of displacement. This is how you find it. That is, you differentiate x with respect to t. Similarly, if you have to find acceleration, so that would be d by dt of v, d by dt of v. That is, rate of change of velocity would give you acceleration. Okay. Now we'll be discussing some numericals related to this. Suppose that there is a question in which it is given that the displacement of an object is given by 4t square minus 2t plus 4. So displacement of an object is function of time. This is how it varies. It is given, and suppose that this is in meter. This is given in meter, and it is asked to you that find the velocity and acceleration of the object at t equals to 3 seconds. At t equals to 3 seconds. Okay. Now, if you have to do this, then for that, what you will do is you will be differentiating this function x with respect to t. Okay, rate of change of displacement is velocity. Now v is equal to d by dt of x, and what is it? 4t square minus 2t plus 4. Correct? Now, as we know how to differentiate a function, d by dt of 4t square minus d by dt of 2t plus d by dt of 4. Right? Now you can write v is equal to t square multiplied by 4. याद रखिएगा, अगर t स्क्वायर के मल्टीप्लाइड में कोई कांस्टेंट है तो कांस्टेंट को हम एज अ कांस्टेंट ट्रीट करते हैं, उसे बाहर ले लेते हैं डिफरेंशिएशन से. ओके, सो वी विल टेक 4 एज कांस्टेंट एंड इट इज आउटसाइड द डिफरेंशिएशन, बट do remember that it has to be accompanied with the function of x or function of t. Like here we are differentiating with respect to t, so here t is the variable. t यहाँ variable है और 4 जो है वो यहाँ पर constant है. ठीक है? So 4 d by dt of t square minus, now here 2 is constant, d by dt of t plus d by dt of 4, which is a constant. So now if you differentiate this, what you will get is v is equal to 4 d by dt of t square, power formula 2 into n x to the power n minus 1. So 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1. Then minus 2. Differentiation of t with respect to t. Do remember differentiation of t with respect to t. I will tell you a standard way you can learn it as a standard result. Differentiation of x with respect to x. We can write it as x to the power 1. This is 1 x to the power 1 minus 1, n x to the power n minus 1, and you know this, it is x to the power 0, and x to the power 0 is 1. What does it mean? It means that differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So same result you can apply here. Differentiation of t with respect to t is also 1. So you will be getting 1 here. Okay, plus differentiation of 4 is treated as constant, and that is 0. Okay, so you got the equation now as this implies v is equal to 8t. v is equal to 8t minus 2. v is equals to 8t minus 2. Let this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, so we got the velocity now. We have to find acceleration. Finding the acceleration using the expression for v, and for that you know this, acceleration is equals to the rate of change of velocity d by dt of v. So this will give you, it is equals to d by dt of v, and v is 8t minus 2. Okay, 8t minus 2. Now you can write it as see, d by dt is multiplied here, you know 8 is constant, we are taking it outside, and d by dt of t minus d by dt of 2. So you will be getting a is equals to 8. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So 8 into 1 minus differentiation of 2 is constant, so it is 0. Okay, so what you got? You got acceleration a is equals to 8. Equation number 3. Okay, now you have to find velocity and acceleration at t equals to 3 seconds. Okay, so for this what you will do is in equation number 2 and in equation number 3 you will be substituting t equals to 3. So by equation 2 you can write velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds, and that gives you 8 into, in place of t you are writing 3, e के place पे आप 3 रख रहे हैं, 8 into 3 minus 2, so that gives you 24 minus 2, that is 22 meter per second, because the unit of velocity is meter per second. Then you have to find acceleration also. So do remember that acceleration is 8. So it doesn't matter what the time is, because acceleration doesn't depend on the time. Acceleration में time का कोई टर्म ही नहीं है. इसका मतलब होगा कि acceleration जो है किसी भी टाइम पर 8 मीटर पर सेकंड पर रहेगा, क्योंकि हमारा टाइम 3 था, उस पे भी वो 8 मीटर पर सेकंड पर रहेगा. So these are the two answers for velocity and acceleration at t equals to 3 seconds.